Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start now by opening PowerPoint and enabling macros. Do not delay. Once the Developer tab is visible, save a copy of the Jeopardy template so you never overwrite the master. Populate categories and assign dollar values immediately, because mapping content first prevents layout rework later. Make sure you gather 25 clues plus a final Jeopardy clue and label media assets, images, sound, so linking is quick. By beginning with these essentials, you set a stable base for building the interactive board. Now you create the interactive flow, edit each clue slide, and place the correct response where you can reveal it with a click. This preserves suspense. Then link every dollar cell on the main board to its clue slide using action hyperlinks, and test each link as you go so you catch errors early. Add a 30-second timer and visible score markers. Choose fonts and sizes that remain legible from a distance. Once done, run the slideshow and navigate as a player would to validate pacing and clarity. You finish by rehearsing the whole game start to finish, noting anything that breaks rhythm. Make small polish changes, align text, normalize audio levels, and group objects to avoid accidental moves, then save a macro-enabled backup and export a PDF for reference. If something goes wrong, here is a practical fix. Reassign any broken hyperlink by entering edit mode, selecting the cell, and choosing the correct slide target. This repairs navigation without rebuilding. Finally, test.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.